Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm a professional pest control operator for both Bengal Products and Bengal Pro Exterminators. Today we're going to walk you through how to do DIY pest control using Bengal products. Bengal Roach and Flea Fogger is perfect for controlling heavy infestations. It's a no-mess, dry fogger that kills over 24 types of insects, including roaches, fleas, ticks, ants, spiders, centipedes, and much more. 3 cans will treat up to 18,000 cubic feet, leaving no bugs and no odor. Using the fogger is simple, but there are some safety measures before you begin. Make sure you turn off all pilot lights and other open flames or running electrical appliances, and remove any pets and cover all food prep surfaces in the area you will be treating. The fogger should be placed on the floor in the middle of the room and placed on top of something like a newspaper or magazine. Double check that the fogger is set in an upright position. To start fogging, press down on the actuator tab to lock it in place. Then be sure to leave the area for at least 2 hours with all doors and windows closed. Upon returning, open all windows, vents, and doors for an additional 2 hours. There you have it. Now you know how to do some DIY pest control with Bengal products.